The best state to form an LLC. From cheaper filing fees to lower taxes to increased anonymity, there are plenty of reasons why you might want to form your LLC in one state over another. After all, some states are more friendly to business than others. Usually, though, the best state to form an LLC in is your home state and the place where you'll be conducting business. We'll explain why. What is an LLC? A limited liability company, LLC, is a kind of business entity combining the personal liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and tax benefits of a sole proprietorship. It's become a popular choice for entrepreneurs who want to start a business, but not risk losing their personal assets if the business is sued or goes into debt. When you form an LLC, you're officially separating your business's assets from your personal ones. That means that if your business runs into legal trouble or financial challenges in the future, your personal assets won't be at risk. Yet despite offering such powerful asset protection, LLCs don't make doing taxes a nightmare. That's because LLCs are subject to pass-through taxation, which means your LLC's income will simply be taxed as your own personal income. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. The 5 best states to form an LLC. While the best state to form an LLC can depend on your preferences, business model, and needs, several states are especially favored among entrepreneurs. Delaware. As one of the best-known business-friendly states, you've probably heard of entrepreneurs filing their articles of organization in Delaware before. That's thanks to Delaware's tax flexibility and business-focused court system. Pros of starting an LLC in Delaware. The state's Court of Chancery is nationally recognized for its speedy and accurate handling of business disputes. It's possible to file your LLC anonymously, i.e., your name and address won't be publicly listed. No annual report is required. There is no state sales tax in Delaware. Cons of starting an LLC in Delaware. Foreign businesses must pay $200 to file an LLC, compared to $90 for domestic businesses. Taxes for Delaware LLCs. All LLCs must pay a flat tax of $300 each year by June 1st. Wyoming. With its low fees and flexible requirements, the cowboy state is particularly popular with budget-minded entrepreneurs. Pros of starting an LLC in Wyoming. There's a low initial filing fee of $100. Wyoming has no state income tax. The annual report fee is low, $60. Cons of starting an LLC in Wyoming. An annual report is required. Taxes for Wyoming LLCs. Wyoming has no state income tax. Nevada. A lack of taxes and plenty of privacy come together to make Nevada a highly attractive state for entrepreneurs looking to create an LLC in another state. Pros of starting an LLC in Nevada. There's no state income tax. You can file your LLC anonymously. Cons of starting an LLC in Nevada. In addition to the $75 filing fee, most LLCs will need to pay a $200 state business license fee, plus $150 to file an initial list of members. Each year after formation, all LLCs must submit an annual list of members and pay a filing fee of $150. Taxes for Nevada LLCs. None. Except in the case of businesses that generate a gross revenue of more than $4 million per year, those companies are required to pay commerce tax. New Mexico. This state's minimal maintenance requirements and optional anonymity make it a great option for some entrepreneurs. Pros of starting an LLC in New Mexico. You can start your LLC without disclosing your name and address. The state has low LLC filing fees, $100 for foreign LLCs. No annual report is required. Cons of starting an LLC in New Mexico. You may be required to file Form PT if your LLC has more than one member. Taxes for New Mexico LLCs. With Form PT, New Mexico LLCs with more than one member can pay income taxes at the entity level. New Mexico's individual income tax rate ranges from 1.7% to 5.9%, depending on the amount of money earned. Montana. If you're looking for an affordable place to start an LLC, Montana might be right up your alley. Pros of starting an LLC in Montana. It has affordable filing fees, $70 for foreign LLCs. Cons of starting an LLC in Montana. There's no option for anonymity. You'll need to meet annual reporting and name registration requirements. Taxes for Montana LLCs. Montana's individual income tax rate ranges from 1% to 6.75%. Forming an LLC in a foreign state. Creating an LLC in a state other than your own is referred to as filing in a foreign state or getting a foreign qualification. Forming an LLC in a foreign state could allow you to pay lower filing and management fees, access a more business-friendly court system, avoid paying as much income tax as you would in your home state, sidestep your home state's undesirable requirements. However, filing your LLC in a foreign state isn't without drawbacks. For example, registering your company as a foreign entity in your home state. Registered agent service to get one. You may be subject to additional taxes and/or fees, depending on the state in question. We can help. Starting a business could be the fulfillment of a lifelong dream, but the paperwork and red tape can make it intimidating. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as well as possible. So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below.